Given the equation a squared minus b squared equals 9, where b is a positive integer less than 10, what is the value of a? Dito, pansin natin, diba? This is just a difference of two squares. So we can rewrite this as a plus b times a minus b. Again, this is 9. Ano yung mga factors ng 9 na integers? So, ang 9 natin is just 9 times 1 and then 9 times 3 times 3, diba? So, ang gagawin natin dito is we're gonna do case 1 muna tayo, 9 and 1. So, ang ating a plus b, eto, this will give you 9. Tapos yung ating a minus b, ito will become 1 based on our factors. Now, ang gagawin natin dito, we just gonna solve yung ating linear equation. Add lang natin ito. Meron kang 2a equals, yung b ma-cancel, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, yung a natin is 5. Alright? What about case 2, yung 3 and 3? So, meron kang a plus b equals 3, tapos a minus b equals 3. Add natin, meron kang 2a equals 6, yung a mo is 3. Now, ang problem dito, if a is 3, yung b mo will become 0, di ba? Yung b is 0. But ang sabi, ang b daw is a positive integer less than 10. Ang 0 is not positive nor negative. So, ang answer dito will be a is equal to 5. That is letter D in the choices. 1, 2, 2 tayo. On the xy coordinate plane, the following points are part of the rhombus ABCD. So, kung meron kang coordinate plane dito, meron kang rhombus. Ang ating mga points is A, 1, 2. So, nandito yung ating 1, 2 as our A. Tapos yung B, 3, 2. So, ang 3, 2 more or less nandito as our B. Tapos yung C is 2, 0. Asan yung 2, 0? Nandito, di ba? Yung 2, 0, that is C. Pinapahanap sa atin yung ating diagonal BD. So, ang BD, nandito yan, yung D. So, pinapahanap to. So, ang gagawin natin dito is, again, distance formula lang tayo, no? Distance formula. So, from here to here, ilan ba yung distance? By the way, yung D natin is 0, 0 pala, no? 0, 0 yan. So, meron tayong C yan, di ba? So, 2. So, meron tayong 2 squared plus, ano yung pataas? Ang pataas natin will be 0 and 3. So, meron tayong 0 and 3. That gives us 3 squared. So, meron tayo dito 4 plus 9. Square natin yan. This gives you root 13, which is letter A in the choices. 1, 2, 3. In the English Premier League, there are 20 teams that go against each other twice in one season. How many games in total are played in one season? So ito, this is just a combination problem. So meron kang 20, choose 2. This gives you 20 times 19 over 2. So ito will just give you 190. But since twice in one season, multiply natin again by 2. This is gonna give us 380, which is letter D sa choices natin. 1, 2, 4. A shipping company charges 50 pesos as a base charge for packages weighing 1 kilogram and under, then adds 20 pesos for every additional kilogram. How much will packages weighing 10 kilograms cost to ship? So again, meron tayong base price na 50 plus 20 pesos na per exceeding kilogram. Ilan ba yung excess natin na kilogram kung meron tayong 10? Diba 10 minus 1, so 9 lang yan. So meron kang 50 plus 180. This gives you 230. Ang sagot natin is letter D. Follow for more.